Hey, what's up guys? Mike Awesome21 here with another video. And today, we're going to be upgrading this Dell T5500 system and checking out how it totally destroys the Ryzen 9 3900X. So let's get started. So starting off with the Dell T5500 upgrades, we have a 120GB Team Group SSD, which I'll be installing Windows 10 Pro on. Then I'll also add a 500GB hard drive for files and games. Next, we'll install 3 8GB sticks of DDR3 ECC memory, which totals 24GB and will run in triple channel. Next, we have the graphics card, which is an EVGA GTX 1060 6GB. Now we come to the best part of the build, which makes this whole thing a Ryzen 9 destroyer. And they would be 2 Xeon X5670s with 6 cores and 12 threads each, making it a 12-core, 24-thread monster machine. I purchased both of these X5670 Xeons for $25 off of eBay, making it only cost 5% of what a brand new Ryzen 9 3900X would cost for the same amount of cores. So even though these two Xeons have the same amount of cores and threads as a Ryzen 9, let's see how much performance we can get out of them after we install them into the trusty Dell T5500.
Good face.
So in conclusion, upgrading a Dell T5500 can make it a really capable 1080p gaming machine. And compared to a Ryzen 9 3900X, these two X5670s with 12 cores, 24 threads did pretty well. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you want to see more PC builds in the future, make sure to like and subscribe, and I would like to see you in the next one. Later.